Hey guys, good afternoon. Um, Today is June 3, 2024, and may isi-share lang po ako sa inyo. Ako po ay nag-volunteer before kay PRRD, and nag-volunteer pa rin up until last election hanggang sa naging president. Today, gusto kong sabihin na ako po ay stop, hihinto muna sa aking ginagawa bilang isang volunteer. And why? Dahil po sa mga rason na medyo ang feeling ko ay I'm being unfair to those who believe in us, especially our group, and also dito malapit sa amin. I feel very unfair sa aking mga kakilala na naniniwala sa akin. Why? Dahil sometimes in life we tend to do things just to prove that we are right and they are wrong. Diba? May mga ganun tayong sitwasyon sa buhay. And I've been there and done that. Pero this time, feeling ko I am now not sure of things that I am going to prove dahil you are connected to these people na nasa matataas na posisyon sa ating government, pero sa akin lang is I owe promises, and I owe feelings and emotions and trusts to those who also trusted me. And ayoko silang samantalahin, dahil it's because they still believed in me. That's why I will use that reason to still continue being a volunteer, dahil nandoon pa rin sila sa akin, and I'm not like that. Hindi ako ganon. I am guilty dahil I choose to fight for someone that is now in higher position sa government, and well, hindi lang naman ako, hindi din naman malaki yung naitulong ko, pero 'di ba, at least I have some of my friends who voted for him because they trusted me, 'di ba? And nahihiya ako, guys. And para sa akin malaking it's a big fail. It's a big failure because we voted someone we thought that he can give us better service in the government, pero hindi. I am not happy as, you know, as an individual, as a normal person, as a civilian. Wala po akong maipagmamalaki. I am just a normal person, pero I am guilty of what I did because I fought for him. I shouted, I invest time and effort just to, you know, just to make people believe that he can be trusted, pero hindi. And my loyalty, my trust ay na kay Pangulong Duterte pa rin, and I will still work and help as a normal person, as a normal citizen na tutulong pa rin. So maybe when VP Inday needs our help, maybe I'll be there sa panahon na yan, pero at this time I will stop muna dahil ako po ay yun, may mga rason, but my trust and faith and nasa kay PRRD pa rin, former na, and also our Vice President Inday. So maybe kung malapit na yon, babalik pa rin ako pag volunteer, pero sa ngayon ako po ay hindi na muna. So guys, thank you for watching again. Bye bye.